Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to add text over a video in Opencv Python. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here a simple code just to open and play a video. First let me explain you the code. So I'm just importing the Opencv library over here, and this is the line of code to extract our video. So I'm just specifying the file name of the video since my video and the .py file are present in the same location, and I'm just using a while loop to iteratively play the each and every frame of the video. So this condition will check if the video is still playing or it has reached the end, and I'm just extracting the frame or image from the video and playing it on the loop. And this I am show function just to display as a dialog box, and here I'm just resizing the height and width of the video, and this is for if I press the key Q the video will stop. Same thing, exactly does the exact same thing just to destroy the video playing. So super simple code, you can just pause the video and type it out. So now I will show you how to add the text. So for that we will be using the put text function. So you need to come before the line of I am show. So just come the line above that. It's going to be cv2 dot, you'll be having the put text function, and it has so many parameters. Here you can see these many parameters are present. So I'm just having a syntax kind of thing. The first one is the frame. Frame is also called as the image variable or the frame variable. So this is that particular frame. So this one, okay, this one where we are specifying cap.read. So it's frame or the variable, comma, and the next parameter is going to be the text. The text, okay, the text that we want to display on our video. So for that, let me go with I will go with just video. It's fine. And next one is going to be the org. I think it's called as the x and y coordinates or the x and y location from the leftmost corner. All right, it's basically the distance from left to right and top to bottom from the top leftmost corner. So for that I will just go with something like 50 comma 50. Okay, it's your choice, we can change it later as well, so it's fine. Next one is going to be the font face or the font style. You can call it font style. So for that it's going to be cv2 dot, you know, type capital H. You'll be having the font Hershey's over here. So I'll just click that, the first one, and you can put a comma. And next one is going to be the font scale, or you can call it font size as well. So I will go that 5 comma. And next one is going to be the color. So for color, let me, you need to give in a RGB format. So for that we need to specify 3 values within a bracket. So it's going to be 255 comma 50 comma 50. And next one is going to be the thickness. So for thickness, let me go with 4. It's fine. I think next is thickness. Yeah, we are done with thickness. That's the last parameter, and this is optional. These two are optional, so we can just skip that. So this is now done, and that's it. Pretty much this line does the job for us, and you need to be really careful when you're specifying so many parameters over here. So I think we are good now. So if I just now run it, so the text is appearing so above. So what you can do is, let me just change the y position. So let me go with y as 200. Yeah, if I just now run it, yeah, so here you can see it is now appearing in the center. So y corresponds to the distance from this one, this distance. All right, it is basically from the top till the bottom, and x corresponds to the distance from left to right. So that's how it works, and you can just play around with that. And if I just now hit on Q, it goes off. So this is it. You can just change the values and play around with that. This is basically just a syntax. If you want, you can just pause and take a note. And I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also done many other tutorials in Opencv, Python, C, C++, Java, MySQL, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, as well as 3D animation using Blender. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.